Hello and welcome to this new video on real-world SCOM use cases. In a typical enterprise environment, SCOM acts as the single monitoring backbone for IT operations. For example, in a large organization running hundreds of Windows servers, SQL databases, IIS applications, and middleware, SCOM continuously monitors health, performance, and availability. Instead of waiting for users to complain that an application is slow or unavailable, SCOM detects early warning signs, like high CPU usage, memory pressure, or service failures, and generates alerts proactively. Dashboards allow operations teams to see the overall health of business services, not just individual servers. When an issue occurs, SCOM correlates alerts across layers: server, OS, application, and database, helping teams identify the root cause quickly rather than chasing symptoms. In a NOC setup, the primary goal is continuous visibility and fast response. SCOM fits naturally into this environment. NOC teams rely on SCOM dashboards displayed on large screens showing red, yellow, and green health states across infrastructure. Critical alerts are immediately visible and can be automatically forwarded to ITSM tools like ServiceNow or email distribution groups. Severity-based alerting ensures that teams focus on what truly impacts the business instead of alert noise. For example, a disk space warning may be informational, but a database service outage triggers immediate escalation. This allows NOC engineers to act quickly, follow runbooks, and meet strict SLAs. In industries like banking and healthcare, downtime is not just inconvenient, it can be financially and legally damaging. SCOM is commonly used to monitor core banking systems, transaction processing servers, healthcare applications, and patient data systems. For example, in a banking environment, SCOM monitors ATM services, transaction databases, and back-end APIs to ensure availability and performance. In healthcare, it tracks application services supporting patient records, lab systems, and clinical applications. SCOM's reporting and historical data help organizations demonstrate compliance, audit system availability, and prove SLA adherence, something that is critical in regulated industries. SCOM is not limited to large enterprises. It adapts well to both small and large environments. In a small setup, SCOM might monitor a handful of servers, a few applications, and basic infrastructure health. In large enterprises, SCOM scales using distributed management servers, gateways, and multiple management groups. Monitoring is customized by teams, regions, or business units. The same core platform can support both scenarios, which makes SCOM a long-term investment that grows with the organization instead of needing replacement as infrastructure expands. Despite the rise of cloud-native monitoring tools, many organizations continue to rely on SCOM. The reason is simple. SCOM provides deep, detailed monitoring for Microsoft workloads that many modern tools cannot fully replace. SCOM allows teams to customize monitoring logic, tune alerts, and align monitoring closely with business requirements. For organizations running hybrid environments, SCOM remains a reliable and predictable solution. It may not be flashy, but it is stable, trusted, and battle-tested in enterprise production environments. Most enterprises today operate in hybrid environments. SCOM plays a key role by continuing to monitor on-prem workloads while integrating with cloud monitoring platforms. Organizations can maintain operational consistency while migrating workloads gradually to the cloud. SCOM ensures teams do not lose visibility or control during this transition. To summarize, SCOM is not just a monitoring tool. It is an enterprise monitoring platform built for real-world complexity. From NOC operations to banking, healthcare, and hybrid environments, SCOM continues to deliver value where stability, depth, and control matter most. Understanding these real-world use cases helps you design, deploy, and operate SCOM more effectively in your own environment.